everyone, welcome to another vlog. I just did my makeup so I could look a little bit presentable, but as you can see, I'm sweating. It's so hot today. It's so annoying. But if you're wondering what makeup I use, I only use two products. So yung isa is this Easy Peasy coloring stick and the shade number 4, so it's like a peach shade. And I also used mascara today. This is my favorite one currently. This is the Etude House Oh My Lash Black Tint Mascara. So it looks like this. I'm gonna link it down below if you're interested. Super long lasting nito. I don't know what to use to remove it. Sometimes I use the cleansing balm from Vanilla Co, but it hurts my eyes so bad. So yeah, I need to look for a really good makeup remover. By the way, today is Saturday and I'm just planning to study today. Meron na naman akong quizzes this week for physio and anatomy, and I think yung last vlog ko was about the same thing kasi last week hindi ako nag-vlog because I just wanted to rest, and yeah. Parang yung quiz namin was last week. Last week wala, tapos next week meron ulit. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. I don't know. But I made coffee and this was something I saw sa Vincenzo. I wasn't gonna buy this originally, but I just randomly saw it on Shopee. So I decided to just try it. And ito yung Maxim coffee na parati ko nakikita sa Vincenzo. Specifically, this yellow one. Ayan siya. If you watch that show, you know this well. But yeah, meron silang mga mini ads and I just wanted to try it. It was like 10 pesos each. I'm gonna link it down below if you're also interested. But I feel like it's just plain coffee and I needed it anyway since malapit na yung finals namin. So I just have like my coffee stock here sa table, and the one I tried today is this red one. So far it's just normal coffee. It's a bit bitter, so yung nilagay ko pala sa coffee ko is just 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I put ice because it's super hot today and I just wanted cold coffee. So yeah, I didn't put too much water kasi I feel like it's gonna taste bland if I put too much water. So yeah, that's my coffee for today.
Dr. Quincy Fortier was the head of this hospital, and he was an infertility specialist. For whatever reason, he just had
As you can see, it's so hot. I'm still sweating so much. But anyway, I'm not that motivated to study right now. I think it's because of the heat. But I did make a little bit of progress. I'm studying exercise physiology right now. I'm gonna show you. These are my notes for now. I'm not done yet. I'm still on... I don't even know what page I was in. Let me see. Ito, I'm on page 4. 4 out of 15. My gosh, ang dami pa. Pero ayan, I think I'm gonna take a break. And yeah, I was reading the trans last night when we were watching Younger. We're on season 7 already, episode 5. So we're caught up. And oh my gosh, it was so bitin. And as you can see, I'm also watching YouTube right now. Anyway, I'm gonna get a snack. I think we're gonna make turon. And yeah. just ate merienda. It took like an hour to make. But I got a package from Face Republic today. Sorry if the lighting's kind of weird. Okay, this is kind of better. I am gonna open this package. I think this is their new glow up cream. I'm not sure. Let me check. I really like the packaging. It looks like this. Ayan. Oh, it is their... Oh, it's their toning cream. Oh, this is so nice. Look. It's like stuck in there. Just a close-up view of the product. It looks like this. I finally finished writing notes for this topic, yung exercise physiology. And it's already 10:16 p.m. I've been taking a lot of breaks. So, ngayon ko lang siya natapos. Nanonood ako ng New Girl and YouTube, obviously. But, since it's already 10 p.m. and it's a Saturday, it means the new episode of Vincenzo's out. So, I'm gonna watch with Anton. We're gonna video call. Okay, go. May intro. So, skip ba natin? Skip intro.
Skip it. Press the skip.
I did. Ba't kinakabahan ako?
Sino? Sino kakaroon ng neck pain sa inyo? There's a
When my wife
face.
came to me.
May syndrome na ito ngayon, ano? Tinatawag na neck. Picture na to, no? She's standing on her right actually, no? Iiwas na sa left. So she uses her right lower extremities more than the left. That's why the muscles are more toned.
Monday today. I just did this flexibility routine from Bloggy Lattes, and yeah, I didn't feel like working out, so sabi ko mag-stretching na lang ako, and I'll show you what I did. I just did the 21-minute flexibility fix, and as you can see, I didn't finish it because yung ibang parts, she was using a yoga ball, which I did not have. And sabi niya to use a tennis ball instead if you don't have that, but I also don't have a tennis ball. So, yung ginawa ko lang parts, yung mga ginamit niya yung stretching band. Is that what it's called? I forgot. Pero ayan, I bought this from Shopee and I think I got it for like 70 pesos, around that much. And it looks kind of flimsy and I'm scared I might break it. But again, I just got it for a cheap price, so that's okay. Makdo. Oh my gosh. I feel like I've been eating makdo every week.
Did last week?
I don't remember. Oh wait, I don't think so. It is currently 11:57 p.m., almost 12 a.m., and we just finished watching Wonder Woman 2, which I really enjoyed watching. I was trying to study while watching the movie, but of course, konti lang yung naaral ko since I was watching a movie. But yeah, I'm gonna finish or try to finish this last topic for official. Yeah, I'm gonna read this and then tomorrow ko na lang gagawa ng notes. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight. Ito yung 4 topics for my last quiz for official. So we have motor reflexes. Ito yung notes ko. Ayan. And then we also have motor control. Wait lang. Ang dami kong notes for this. Ayan siya. Like, if makikita nyo, oh my gosh, wait. Ayan, I have 6 pages, almost 6 pages of notes. And then, exercise facial. Ayan yung notes ko. And then, last is altered pressure, which I'm currently reading pa lang, so wala pang laman yung notes ko. That's the plan. I'm gonna read. And by the way, look at my like snack section over here. Mostly I have coffee, I have chocolate, I have Korean noodles, and I have my sunflower choco balls. And this is actually really good. It reminds me of a childhood snack, but I can't name it. Anyway, ayan. By the way, natry ko na yung yellow one kanina, and I don't know, it's just ordinary coffee. I won't buy it again, but it was nice trying it. I think I like the red one better, but I'm not sure. And by the way, if you're planning to try it, yung ginawa ko, nilagyan ko siyang 1 teaspoon of sugar kasi medyo bitter siya for me. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to studying.